Hi, my name is Lindsay Mixon. I'm a third grade teacher at Peach Creek Elementary, and today I'm going to show you how to freeze and wrap your columns. This will hopefully make it easier for you when you are looking at data from any past tests you may have given or just any information you need over your students. And this is this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. To freeze and wrap your columns, you will want to start with your Google Sheet. You can use a Google Sheet that you already have or creating a new one. So one way that I have used this in my classroom is I will put my students' names and I am graphing their CFA for each of the 9 weeks as well as their SBA. But one thing that I have noticed is hard is when I want to look further down throughout the school year, my students' names will start to disappear. So what I will do with this column is I'll click on the top of it, go to view, and then I will choose freeze. And I will choose either the row or the columns that I want to freeze. That way when I scroll over, my students' names will still be in that section. Another thing that you may want to do is if you want to take notes on the CFA, so let's say they are struggling on author's purpose and context clues. But when I go away from it, it's blending into the next column. So what I can do with this text is go to format and go to wrapping and wrap the text. That way it stays in the box, in the column that I need it to. This is one way that you can freeze and wrap columns. It makes it a lot easier to view the information that you need without having to continuously scroll back and forth. I hope that you are able to better use your Google Sheets as well as keep them organized. Meet us back here for next week for our Tech Tip Tuesday.